Hey guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another amazing and super quick recipe this time. We're gonna make some cookie pots. This recipe is inspired by the queen herself, Nigella Lawson, and we are going to make it straight away and they are going to go in the oven also straight away. So such an amazing and quick recipe, especially when you have some last minute visit from friends or family and you do not know what to make. You can definitely make this recipe since I'm sure that you have most of the ingredients already on hand. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I promised you a quick recipe and this recipe is quick indeed. We are going to start by creaming our room temperature butter with a spatula. This will take a few seconds and then I will add some brown sugar along some granulated white sugar and I'm going to mix that well with my spatula for a few seconds or until everything is smooth. Time to add the eggs and I'm going to add 2 large eggs and mix one more time. This is beautiful and smooth, so now it is time to work on the dry ingredients and I'm going to use, of course, some all-purpose flour and I'm going to use quite a lot of it. And then I'm going to add to that some baking soda and I'm also going to add some vanilla extract and a nice and heavy pinch of salt. I like my cookies to have a lot of salt in them, so I'm not shy with it. And then I will mix my dry ingredients together just to make sure that the baking soda is well distributed in the flour, and then we can add all of it into our wet ingredients. We cannot make cookies without chocolate chips and I'm going to make my own chocolate chips here since it is always better just to make your own using some good quality baking chocolate, and I'm using some dark chocolate here. You can definitely use some white chocolate or milk chocolate, everything and anything works. And I'm just going to chop it with a sharp knife and then I will add that to the mixture and mix a final time with my spatula until the dough is smooth. Our cookie dough is looking amazing, so now I'm just going to fill some casserole dishes. We are going to make some cookie pots and we need the pots, of course. You can definitely bake a larger cookie using a regular cake pan, for example, or do whatever you want basically. I just recommend using a pan of any sort. And then we will straight away bake our cookies in our preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 in Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake them for about 10 minutes or until they start to look golden brown on the sides but are still very chewy and melty on the inside. It is crucial that your cookies are not too baked, of course, since you want to have that nice and chewy texture. And I actually recommend you to eat them warm. They taste amazing this way. And that's it. It was that easy to make cookie pots. This recipe is so quick and great to make and to have on hand at any given time. I hope that you will recreate it, and you can do so by finding the list of ingredients in the description box down below this video. So right under there, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow on YouTube, and give this video a like and a comment if you want to chat. I'll be very happy to respond and see you very soon for another amazing recipe. Bye!